guard up in the shadows of the street. Got no one left to trust now but the ground beneath her feet. She's looking out for something, afraid it might be gone. Well, hold on, hold on, hold on. There's a woman in the West Wing, pacing around the hall, who thought she was invincible, not so sure after all. Needs something to believe in, and a chance to prove him wrong. Well, hold on, hold on, hold on. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. There's a boy in the basement, sweating out his moves, and his brother in the bedroom, wondering just what to do. When you put your best foot forward just to get stepped on, well, stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. And hold on, hold on, hold on, yeah. 'Cause the sun will be there when you rise, and you got the starlight on your side, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. Don't matter what's been weighing on your mind, when it comes crashing down on you from every side, you know the pain is like a vapor, fills the chambers of a soul. So let it in and let it out, but let it know, no. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the one you love will hear your yell, and all is well. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. All is well. Oh, yeah. I've been living like a runaway, searching for someone who wouldn't turn the other way. And I knew the moment that we first met, just the way I wanted my summer spent. We go breaking for the surface and breaking all our promises, promising to never go back. We're living on island time, sunrise to setting, stealing every second of paradise, dancing in diamond skies, stretch on forever, soaking in the weather and waterline. I'm living for the summer, however long. I'm taking every moment and holding on. We're living on island time. Oh, we're living on island time. I've been feeling like a renegade. Why island free, but nobody there to share a day? No, no. So climb on back and wrap your arms tight. We'll go anywhere and everywhere we ain't ever been tonight. Just follow my lead and it'll be alright, be alright. Long as you and I are living on island time, sunrise to sweating, stealing every second of paradise. Dancing in diamond skies, stretch on forever, soaking in the weather and waterline. I'm living for the summer, however long. I'm taking every moment and holding on. We're living on island time. Oh, we're living on island time. Living on island time.
No.
There's a girl with her guard up in the shadows of the street. Got no one left to trust now but the ground beneath her feet. She's looking out for something, afraid it might be gone. Well, hold on, hold on, hold on. There's a woman in the West Wing, pacing around the hall, who thought she was invincible, not so sure after all. Needs something to believe in, and a chance to prove him wrong. Well, hold on, hold on, hold on. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. There's a boy in the basement, sweating out his moves, and his brother in the bedroom, wondering just what to do. When you put your best foot forward just to get stepped on, well, stay strong, stay strong, stay strong. And hold on, hold on, hold on, yeah. 'Cause the sun will be there when you rise, and you got the starlight on your side, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. No matter what's been weighing on your mind, when it comes crashing down on you from every side, you know the pain is like a vapor, fills the chambers of the soul. So let it in and let it out, but let it know, no. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the one you love will hear your yell, and all is well. The sun will be there when you rise, and stars don't burn out in one night, and the world can spin all by itself, and all is well. All is well. Oh, yeah. I've been living like a runaway, searching for someone who wouldn't turn the other way. And I knew the moment that we first met, just the way I wanted my summer spent. We go breaking for the surface and breaking all our promises, promising to never go back. We're living on island time, sunrise to setting, stealing every second of paradise, dancing in diamond skies, stretch on forever, soaking in the weather and a waterline. I'm living for the summer, however long. I'm taking every moment, holding on. We're living on island time. Oh, we're living on island time. I've been feeling like a renegade. Why island free, but nobody there to share a day? No, no. So climb on back and wrap your arms tight. We'll go anywhere and everywhere we ain't ever been tonight. Just follow my lead